Why does your scanner show the P2757 engine code? What does it mean? P2757 is a diagnostic trouble code for torque converter, clutch pressure control, or solenoid control circuit performance stuck off. It indicates that the ECU has detected a problem with a torque converter clutch pressure control solenoid. It's logged when the TCM detects issues with the torque converter clutch solenoid's operation. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Transmission fluid, transmission fluid filter, wiring, solenoids, torque converter, valve body, transmission control module, TCM, internal transmission, pressure control solenoid, electrical connection. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code appears in various OBD-II vehicles, commonly found in Toyota Corolla vehicles, Mazda, and Tundra vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.